Okay, let's see. So we are going to solve the questions number 5. So question number 5, we have y prime equal to y square minus 2y. So to make this as a separable differentiation equations, we have to move the unknown function to the left hand side. So the unknown functions, we have y square minus 2y put at the bottom, and then dx is on the right hand side. Then we take the integrations on both sides of these equations. Now, the integrations on the right hand side of our equation is simple. This is equal to s plus c. Now we need to do the integrations for the left hand side of our equations. So integration of the left hand side, we have dy over y squared minus 2y. So this can be further simplified by factor out the bottoms part. We have 1 over y. Then we have y minus 2 dy. Okay, similarly, we take the same approach. We can use the partial fraction decompositions to solve for the integrations. So we use y 1 divided by y minus 2. This must be equal to a divided by y plus b y minus 2. Now we need to find a and b value by equal the numerator, whereby 1 is equal to a y minus 2 plus b1. Now to find b, we can let y equal to 2 to eliminate the a terms. So when we substitute y equal to 2 in the equations, then we have 1 on the left hand side, and this is equal to 2b. Now b is equal to 1 divided by 2. Now to find the value of a, then we can let y equal to 0. When y equal to 0, so the by will be equal to 0. So we have 1 equal to 0 minus 2, we get minus 2a. So a is equal to minus 1 divided by 2. And then we are going to substitute the value that we found for a and b into these equations, and then we do the integrations. Okay, so when we substitute over here, that means for the left hand side integrations, okay, we starting from here, we have 1 y divided by 2 dy, and this is equivalent to integrations over a divided by y. We have minus 1 over 2 divided by y, then plus b is 1 divided by 2 divided by 1 minus 2 dy. Now if you do these integrations, then we have minus 1 over 2 natural log of y plus 1 over 2 and natural log of 1 minus 2. Now we can simplify this. 1 over 2 natural log is y minus 2 divided by y. Okay, so this is the result of the right hand side. So we equal the right hand side with the the left hand side equation with the right hand side equation. Then we have the general solutions, which is 1 divided by 2 natural log of y minus 2 divided by y, and this must be equal to the right hand side, which is this equation here, which is equal to s plus c. So this is our general solutions.